No mai haere mai ki tāku whare. Welcome to my home. Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Morena whānau mā. A tamari e tamariki mā. Mauri ora. Ka pai. So we'll get underway with our karakia this morning. Kia hora te marino. But for those of you that are joining us, we kapa haka in bare feet. So take a quick moment to flick off those jandals or slippers or whatever you've got on. If it's really chilly in your home, you know what? Kei te pai. So here we go. Kia hora te marino. I'll go first. You try after me. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa. Pounamu. Te moana. Kia tere. Te karohirohi. I mua. I tō huarahi. Tihe mauri ora. Ka pai. So we'll go through Kia hora te marino a second time. This time let's go together, eh? Toru wha. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te karohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihe mauri ora. Kia ora whānau. A quick little run through of that karakia. Kia hora te marino. Peace be everywhere. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Let the oceans for your journey be calm, glistening like greenstone. Kia tere te karohirohi I mua I tō huarahi. And the shimmering light across the water will guide your journey. Tihe mauri ora. Ooh, it's good to be alive. It certainly is whānau, and it's a fantastic day for some Kapa Haka. So our kiwaha, we got a new kiwaha today. Yesterday's kiwaha, the day before that, it was karawhiua. Karawhiua was give it a go, or give it heaps, or give it your best. It was an encouragement. This one here is probably after karawhiua, and this one is kawanike. Note the macron above the E in ke, that means we drag that vowel sound out. Kawanike. Now I couldn't hear you, a little bit louder. Kawanike. Kia ora, much better. And kawanike is an acknowledgement of someone's effort or expertise, or you've just told them karawhiua, go give it heaps. And now kawanike is acknowledging their effort. And so it means like you're clever, or you're a master, you're a genius, or neat all right. Ka pai, so it's that kind of āhuatanga that comes with kawanike. So before you give it, it would be karawhiua, and at the end of the task, or at the end of the activity, it would be kawanike. Ka pai? I'll try and use kawanike as much as I can today, and also try and throw a few karawhiua in there as well. This is probably going to be in the quiz. We'll talk about that a little bit later on. For now though, let's warm up with Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. And today is a Friday, which means it's a recap session. That's right. Every Friday we recap the week's learning. So if you're joining us for like the first or second time on a Friday, it's a good time to join in, because you'll see pretty much everything that we do in these sessions, yeah? It might seem a little bit fast today, but that's okay, because it's supposed to be. Yeah, we're only here for half an hour, so let's try and cram in everything into that short amount of time. Here we go. Ahaka mana para tawanga wha. E ke mene tere te wenge whe. Iki mini piri tiwini fi. O komono poro toongo fo. Vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Haka mana para tawanga pa. E heke mene pere te wenge pe. Tiki mini piri te wenge pi. O hoko mono koro to wamo po. A e I o u. Utu buru buru tu tu. Kawanike. See how I used it? Yeah. Kapai. Sticking with the theme of just warming up for now. Here we go with Paki Paki. Toru Fa. Paki 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 Tamariki Ma. Paki 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 Tamariki Ma. E oma, e oma, e oma, tamariki ma. E oma, e oma, e oma, tamariki ma. Kani kani, kani kani, kani kani, tamariki ma. Kani kani, kani kani, kani kani, tamariki ma. Epeke, 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 tamariki ma. Epeke, 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 tamariki ma. Emoe, 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 tamariki ma. Hariki te moe. Emoe, emoe, tamariki ma. Kawanike. Woo! Warmed up. Another one to go though. Here we are. Pake ke mai. I'll go. You follow. But we're actions together. Pake ke mai. O mati mati. Wai wai fiua ki te taha. Takahuri, ko wiri wiri. A kani, toti nana. Hey ha! Hey ha! Hey ha! Paki paki. Kawanike. All right. Mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa fatu ihua hae. Well done. Let's not take anything out today. Instead, let's do this one super fast. Koriri koto, are you ready? Meti mata. Here we go. Taru fa! Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Taringa fatu ihua hae. Kia ora. You did really well to keep up. Woo. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Toru, fa. Tahi, rua, toru, fa. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Iwa, te kau. Tahiru wa toru fa rima ono fitu waru iwa te kou. Iwa te kou. Tahiru wa toru fa rima ono fitu waru iwa te kou. Iwa te kou. Tahiru wa toru fa rima ono fitu waru iwa te kou. Iwa te kou. No, I'm only joking. I'm only joking. There's nothing wrong with the sound. So here we go. Tutira mai ngā iwi hope, toru, fa. Tutira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whaia te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia tapatahi, kia kotahia, tātou tātou e hope, tātou tātou, uritia kia mau, hea uehi. Auri ora. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, beautiful song. Some great pronunciation coming through this morning with the correct pronunciation, tūtira. That was lovely. Also, a little meka pā reka reka, a little fun fact about Tūtira mai ngā iwi, composed by Canon Wiremu te tau huata. Yeah, beautiful waiata. In actual fact, these actions we're learning were given to us from the whānau of the original composer as well. So that's pretty special that we get to share those actions. Kia ora whānau. Here we go. Pure nei toru wha. Pure nei e te hau. Horoia. Horoia e te ua. Fiti fiti. Fiti fiti e te la. Mahea ke ngā poraruraru, poraruraru, makere, makere ana ngā here, makere ana ngā here. Kawanike. Great work. Can I just remind you, whānau that are just joining us, it seems like we're not actually doing any learning, like we already know these waiata. Aroha mai. Ka pai. Friday session is a recap. We're just skimming through as much as we can. Ka pai. Good work, whānau. Here we go. Hey, this waiata was written by the same composer of the previous waiata, Purea Nei. This is our butterfly song, Purere Hua. And if you know the actions, you can action along as I play the guitar this morning. Also, if you don't know the actions, but you just love to move to the song, why don't you use your poi instead? Yeah? Here we go. Papaki pariro re ngā hau, ka piki rungana wae. Papaki pariro re ngā hau, ka tau ngā pua wai, ka whānau hua, ka purere hua, ka tahi ka rua, ka toru ka wha, ka ru, ka re. Ka puta e whawhe ano, urere hua, rere runga hau, papaki pariro, rere runga hau, ka piki runga rawae, papaki pariro, rere runga hau. One of my favourites too. I already know what you're going to say. Matui, that's one of my favourites. So here we go. Karanga mai. This is one of my waiata. I wrote this one. I wrote this song after an encounter that I had with a fantail, and I've told the story before, but to sum it up, my people believe that when you interact with a fantail outside, it's really good. It's a positive thing to have happened to you. So to mark the occasion that I had with this particular fantail, I wrote a little waiata. Waiata mai. Sing it with me. Karawhiua. Karanga mai. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai. Tuki tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu. He manu. Kori kori. He manu. Fia fia. Piwai waka e. And because I know Adama likes to do this one really, really fast, we'll jam it one more time. Keep up. Toru fa. Karanga mai, piwai waka e. Tuki tuki mai, piwai waka e. He manu kori kori, he manu fia fia, piwai waka e. Woo! Kawani ke. A lot. Tihei Moriora, we are going to do this one twice. First time with the actions, you and I together. Second time I'm going to jam it on the raku raku on the guitar. And we'll sing it again. So here we go. Tihei Moriora. Starting with your right hand. Here we go. Toru fa. Tihei Moriora. Tihei Moriora. Ngai wi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngaiwi kia orara. Yes. Yes. Again, if you're not too hot with the actions, I'll just make them up. Just make it up. Tihei Moriora, Tihei Moriora, ngaiwi o te motu e. Tuake karangatia, tuake manakitia, ngaiwi kia orara. Ngaiwi kia ora, ahirua toruka, tia uehui. Ka mau te wehi. Where are we at? We are up to the haka. Oh, let's leave it for a uno momento and get back to it a little bit later. For now though, we are up to our poi, so quickly take this opportunity to grab your poi. Okay, you got your poi there. Fantastic whānau. If it seems like I've gone off screen for just a moment, it is. So Samara is just out at the moment. And I've got Ivy here with me, so I'll just grab her a biscuit. A biscuit, darling? Eat a cookie? I've got you lot cookies, eh? Right, I'm back. Here we go. Got your poi? Alright, hey, let's just have a quick look at the anatomy of the poi one more time. Upoko, or mahunga, this is the head of the poi. And this binding at the bottom of the upoko, that's the kaki, that's the neck of the poi. Then we have the tinana, this is the body of the poi, and this is where we'll hold it. Show you that in just a second. And this fluffy part at the bottom, if you're lucky enough to have a poi that has a fiore on it, the fiore is not a handle. Ka pai, the fiore, or the tail, it's not for holding on to. That's only going to ruin the pom-pom or the fiore. What we do want to do is hold our poi so the fiore is just tucked out the bottom of our grip. Ka pai, just in there. So as we are doing the poi, you'll note the fiore is dancing around, adding a little bit of drama to the poi. So here we go. Kiraro. Hope. Poi kiarite. Erere taku poi taru fa. Erere taku poi. Erere taku poi kirunga. That's up. Kirunga. Erere taku poi. Erere taku poi kiraro. That's down. Kiraro. Erere runga. Erere raro. Erere roto. That's in. Erere waho. Erere taku poi, erere taku poi, kirunga up, kiraro down, kiroto in, kiwa e. That's out. Kia ora whānau, ka pai. Let's have another look at our second poi song, poi poi e. We'll go 4 catch, rainbow spin. We'll go boom boom catch, 2 single double up off the shoulder, and then boom boom catch, 2 single double up off the hand, and then we'll go shoulder hip hip shoulder hand catch twice, freestyle the last 2. Ka pai? Cool. I know what you're thinking. What did he just say? Follow me. Poi kāri te toru whā. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Re re atu, poi poi e. Poi poi e, poi poi e. Re atu, poi poi e. Ti patu patu a, ti patu mai. Triple up. Re atu, ti patu mai. The hand. Ti patu patu a, ti patu mai. Re atu, ti patu mai. Owe, 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 hey, hey, ha. 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 Oi, kawani ke. Woo! Beautiful. So let's have another look at our national anthem. I know we cranked it out so strong yesterday. I know some whānau had messaged me saying that even their neighbours were joining in. Let's have a quick look out the window, see if I can see my neighbours this morning. Oh, they might have already had their morning coffee. Sometimes they sing along with me. So here we go. E ihoa. What are the notes to remember? The 2 kia. Ka pai, rather than kia, which is the bird, let's go with kia. Okay, let it be. So here we are. Nice big dramatic finish, or a nice big dramatic flurry on the Aotearoa as well. Drag it out as best you can. Toru whā. E ihoa atua o ngā iwi matoura. Ata whakarongona me aroha noa. Kia hua ko te pai, kia tauto ata whai. Mana ki tia mai. Beautiful. With Anzac Day coming up soon in a couple of weeks, this is a really handy one to have, because highly likely you'll be singing this one at the end of the drive. And I won't be there to help you along. So this is one we should all know. The motivation to get those kupu right is there. Here we go. Alright. Rona. You know, Rona was probably, well, no, not probably, Rona was the very first song that I ever started teaching. All those 10 years ago. Ferguson Intermediate, the first school I ever taught. First song. Tell you a little story about it actually. I didn't even know how to play the guitar. I got there and I learned the first 2 chords online. At the time I was playing it down here. And those 2 chords take you to about the halfway point of the song. So after the halfway point, when we got to the next chord change, I stopped teaching that particular song and started teaching a haka, because I had to play the guitar for haka. So poor old Ferguson Intermediate, you know, back in the day, I mean, I think I taught them maybe 4 songs and about 8 haka. By the end of the year, I was getting pretty good at guitaring, and oof, look at me. I'm still average. Tako te ataru, ke rumara, te marama e whiti ana kei he arona, ke rotora, piri ki te toho, piri ki te mai o auera, e rona e auera ta kotona auite, moe ngauriri tuakea, ki tiro ki te ataru, kei rumara, te marama e whiti ana kei he arona, ke rotora, piri ki te toho, piri ki te mai o auera, e rona e auera e. Woohoo! Yeah. If you were wondering throughout that song why I was going like this, I'll show you why. I had my guitarist helping me out down here. Hey darling. Mihi atu.
No.
She strolls in halfway through with her little guitar. So we just jammed Rona. Beautiful. Let's have a look at our Hoki Hoki. This is one of our new ones this week. I've probably got 2 new ones coming up next week, so let's solidify the learning this morning on Hoki Hoki Tonu Mai. You ready, whānau? Ka pai. Actions come in sets of 4, so we'll break it down sets of 4, and then we'll sing it through a final time as one just big long waiata. So here we go. Hoki Hoki Tonu Mai. Your turn. Hoki Hoki Tonu Mai. My turn. Te wairua o te tau, ki te awhireina, ki tēnei kirie. Beautiful. Ka pinei a koe au, ki te pine o te aroha, ki te pine e kore nei, e wai kura e kawanike. So here we go, you and me together. Hoki Hoki Tonu Mai. Last time, toru wha. Hoki Hoki Tonu Mai. Te wairua o te tau, ki te awhireina, ki tēnei kirie, ki tēnei kirie. Ka pinei a koe au, ki te pine o te aroha, ki te pine e kore nei, e wai kura e wai kura tahiru a toru wha, hi au e hi. Mauri ora. So, let's have a look then at this one here. This is tēnā koutou, and I've just signed out of it, or just got out of projection mode just so I can check the time, and we're running to schedule. No, that's not what you want to do, whaitiri. And there it is there. Alright. Tēnā koutou. We're only going to sing it once. Luckily for you though, it's a repeat song. I'll sing, you sing after me. Look for my hand because it comes in straight away, yeah? It's like, tēnā koutou, e hoa mā, kua tai mai nei, I tēnei wā. But I don't cut off my singing that fast. Actually, I hold that key, and then you would hold it as well, so that we are always overlapping our lines, ka pai? Until we get to the blue part, which is where we sing together. Kuarongo hoki ahau, kuarongo hoki ahau, kuarongo hoki ahau, kei te haere mai koutou. And you'll know when it's time to start singing together, because today I'll give you the secret nod, yeah? The secret nod looks like this. Kapa. Here we go. After me. Tēnā koutou, e hoa mam, kua tai mai nei, I tēne wā, no re rara, e hoa ma, kia ora ra, koutou katoa, kuarongo hoki ahau, kuarongo hoki ahau, kuarongo hoki ahau, kei te haere mai koutou, no re rara, e hoa ma, kia ora ra, koutou katoa. Ka wani ke whanau. Kia ora. Well, I think we've covered everything except for Rako Poto, which wasn't on our plan today. So, what's that? The haka. We haven't done the... That's right. We haven't even done the haka yet. Wow. Let's finish on the haka. Eh? That'll be our high point. Cool. Here we go. Back to the haka. All right. He toa, he toa. I am a warrior, I am a warrior. Kia maia, I will be brave, I will be brave. You know, the name of this haka is he toa kia maia. And in that order, it means I am a warrior, I will be brave. What do I tell you? Why would you tell us that? Well, maybe it's a question in the quiz that will follow today's session. So here we go. Ki raro, ki te haka, kia moe. Remember your strong voice, strong face, and strong actions. Those are our 3 haka rules. Now, it has been a while since we've broken the haka down, so we are going to do it twice today. First time, I go, you go, I go, you go. And then after that, we'll finish with a haka together. Okay, here we go. He toa, he toa. Kia maia, kia maia. Yeah, we're just walking it out. He toa, he toa. Kia maia, kia maia. He kakano. Ruia mai. Irangi a te ahi. Irangi a te ahi. Hapaim. Uhia, uhia. Te kaha, te kaha. Good. Uhia, uhia. Te kaha, te kaha. Kia tu rangatira. Kia tu rangatira. O popo. Awe hui. Ka wai. So here we go. Our last haka for the week. Are you joining me, Bras? Awesome. We're just going to wait for Jari. Jaden's going to join us. I know what you're thinking. How did Jaden get a haircut when all the barber shops are closed?
My dad shaved my
Oh
hair.
yeah, look at this. Look at this. Shaved up to the line. Have a look at that. Ooh, look at that fade. That's a tight fade. Oh yeah. If there's any barber shops out there looking for an apprentice, it's not me. So here we go. Ki raro. Ki te haka. Kia moe. Taranatu! Titaha, titaha. Titaha, hetoa. Heto, heto. Kamaya, kamaya. Heto, heto. Kamaya.
Kamaya.
He kakano ruia mai. Irania te hui. Papa ki titaha. 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 Uhia. 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 Tekaha. Tekaha. Uhia. Uhia. Tekaha. Tekaha. Katu. Langatira. Papa. Awehi. Kawanike, whānau, kawanike. Beautiful. Whew. What an awesome session it was today. We got through so many waiata. That was crazy awesome. Really, really cool. Thank you so much for coming out today, giving up some of your precious time to spend with us doing the poi. I want to remind you that after this, shortly after this, I am going to launch a Kahoot. A Kahoot is a quiz. It's an online quiz. There's 20 really simple Kapa Haka questions from the learning that we've been doing over the last couple of weeks. But you know what? If you just tuned into this one session alone, you'd probably get 20 out of 20. Yeah? So, as soon as I'm finished here and I log off, I'll jump back online and I'll post up the link and the password to get into the quiz. Now, because I'm not paying for the service, I'm limited to 100 participants. So if you want to get in on that quiz, if you want to be one of the 100 to do that quiz, you might have to get on really, really quickly, Kapo. If we do run out of spaces, don't worry about it. I'll copy and paste the quiz and relaunch it with another 100. Yeah, that easy. From my whānau to your whānau, mauri ora.
I want.
Just waiting on Jordan to push the button.